So children, now I am taking up another question that will be based on only A, only B, these all things. Now I am taking up a question number 10. Question number 10 for you on the board in the same exercise. Now what the question number 10 says, 50 students of a class like either oranges or grapes or both. So there are how many students in the class? 50 students. Okay, then what? See, for these questions you need to have the notes that I gave. So 50 students are there who like either oranges or grapes or both. That means there is no category who doesn't like anything, nothing. If a child is there, it may be either liking oranges or grapes or both the things. No student is there that is not liking anything. So like we'll solve we'll give let O equal to students who like oranges. Who students who like oranges. What other thing is grapes? Let G is equal to students who like grapes. Okay, I told this. Now, what they are saying, let the group of class is 50 students and those 50 are those in which people are only 3 categories are there, no 4th category exists. So 3 categories means one will be those who are liking oranges or those who are liking grapes or those who are liking both of them. So our first thing, so let us see some more data. Some question is given. 20 like oranges. See here, 20 like oranges. It is not only oranges. That means 20 will contain people who like only oranges plus those people who like oranges and grapes both. And what more is given? No, 20 like oranges while 10 like both. And to show Venn diagram also. To find how many like only oranges. See. So 50 are there. So first thing that you like is what? So our NO is what? Number of students who like oranges. What is that NO? It is given at 20. One more thing we can find out from this given thing is what? Who like one orange, grape or both. So N of O union G is equal to number of students who like who like who like oranges or grapes, oranges or grapes or both. So what is that number given to us? Who like oranges or grapes or both? What is that number, students? That will be 50. So this is 50 students. So 50 students are those who like oranges or grapes or both. And then what more is given? It is said that there are 10 who like both. Both means intersection. So N of O intersection G. N of O intersection G means number of students who like both. Equal to number of students who like both. And what is that number given to us? That number is 10. Now children, see. This is the information that we have got from this. This is the basic thing that you do always for any question. You can take A and B also, no problem. But taking it O and G suggests that it will be a better way. It means it will look good. Otherwise, you are free to take A and B. But once you take O as orange, A as oranges and B as grapes, take it A and B. It will not give any extra marks to someone who is not taking A and B or O and G. It's up to you to take this. So A is who take oranges and B who takes grapes. So then you can mention N of O is and number of students who like oranges and number of O U N G is this. O U N G means the number of students those who like oranges or grapes or both. And what is N of O in section G? Who like both. Now these things we have written about the question. And after this only lot of things will be clear. And the question is also saying draw a Venn diagram for the same. Let us see for what thing it is asking us to draw a Venn diagram. Draw a Venn diagram and then find out. How many like only oranges? Only oranges means N of O minus G. Basically that only. Then second part is N of grapes. See, they are saying grapes. Grapes means N of G. And third is what? Third they are saying only grapes. So if you have noted the things properly, you can find out. Again, we are having some relationships. First, to draw Venn diagrams and represent things. So let us draw the things here. First part is to find out only oranges. Only oranges means O minus G. So are we knowing this? Yes, we are knowing. Here, see, here only 3 categories are there. That means this is also your universal set also. So first part is only oranges. Don't write any hints here because it is a solution. This is your for oranges. This is your for grapes. And only oranges means I have to show O minus G. What is common intersection is 10. So write here 10. Are we knowing this portion? N of O? Yes, we are knowing. N of O is what? N of O means it comprises both the things. So it will be how much? We will remove the thing. Means what we will remove? We will remove the intersection part. Because N of O is how much? 20. So 10 like both. So only O will be what? 10 only. So you show it like this. It will be 20 minus 10. So N of O minus G will be equal to N of O minus N of O intersection G. That is 20 minus 10 is equal to 10. I hope now it is clear to all. What are we showing? That only we have shown. No extra data is required here. And you must also mention the universal set here. Only oranges is done now. Now next is what? Next is to find out what is the people who are liking grapes. Second part is saying grapes. Second part is saying grapes. Grapes means N of G. So to find out N of G. How to find out N of G? Are you knowing this formula? N of A union B minus NA will give you N of G. That means this group will include what? Include the people who are having grapes as well as those who are having grapes as well as oranges. So what we'll do? We will subtract what? We'll subtract the people who are liking what? Who are liking only oranges. Yes or no? We'll subtract the people who are liking only oranges, or can we find out that you are liking only grapes? Only grapes for this one. So let us see here first. Because there is one group who is liking oranges. So if we subtract from this, what we'll get? Here in section is what? How much? In section is 10. Now, so for grapes, what do you find out? Grapes will be so we will write it here. N of G will be equal to N of G union O or O union G minus. What to subtract? We'll subtract N of O minus G. That means O union G or G union O, same meaning, but let us write it properly. N of O union G. What is that? 50 minus O minus G is what? Just now find out. Minus 10. That is, it is how much? 40. Then third part is finding how many are there those who like only grapes. Only grapes means the people who like nothing else other than grapes. So I'll drop this portion because already it's becoming clumsy. This is the third part. Only grapes. Only grapes means n of G minus O. And what will be that? See, we have used in the previous question, first part also. Only grapes means what? We will subtract the intersection portion from G. It will be Ng minus n of G intersection O. Mg is 40 minus 10 will be what? 30. This will be what? 40 minus 10. 40 minus 10. It will write it properly. Forty minus 10. 40 minus 10. So that is the solution for it. Okay. So that is the solution about it. And we have shown through Venn diagram also. Let's not write O here only, because there will be one Venn diagram only for this question in which we are showing all the things. This is only O, this is only G, this is O in section G. Very good question it is. I think so all can note it down and solve also properly. Okay. So that's it for this